Class 2. Today I am going to teach you English literature, and this is your ninth chapter, and today I am going to teach you the story. This story is about Maliang's magic brush, and you know about the brush. Brush is used for making coloring and drawing, and let's read what happened with this brush in Maliang. Do you carry your stuffed toys everywhere? Where can you carry them? Let us find out what happened with Maliang and his magic brush. Let's read. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Maliang. He liked drawing, but he was poor and he didn't have a brush, so he used to draw with stones or sticks on the sand. Sometimes he drew with his fingers. This is the story about this little young boy. The name of this boy is Maliang, and he liked to draw. He liked drawing, but he was very poor, and he didn't have any brush, so he used to stones and sticks for making drawing on sand. Okay, sometime he draw with his finger for making drawing on sand. One night he thought, I wish I had a brush. I could draw better picture with it. And suddenly an old man appeared before him. He had a long white beard. An old man said, here's a brush. Draw pictures for the poor people of the village. Then he disappeared. One night he was thinking about that. I wish I had a brush. And what happened? Suddenly, old man just appeared before him, and he gave him a brush. And when he gave him brush, he said that use this brush for poor people of the village, and then he disappeared. This is the story of Maliang, and ये स्टोरी मालियांग की है. एंड इसे क्या था, ब्रश कलर करना, ड्रॉ करना बहुत पसंद था. बट व्हाट हैपन, बिकॉज ही वॉज पुअर, ये पुअर था, तो देन ही यूज स्टिक्स एंड स्टोन्स फॉर मेकिंग ड्राइंग. एंड ही यूज स्टिक एंड स्टोन on sand for making drawing, and sometime he used fingers, कभी कभी ये fingers का use करता था. What happened one night, एक दिन क्या हुआ रात में, he wish, इसने wish किया. and क्या wish किया, because he liked to draw, then he wished what, a brush. And what happened, he said, if I wish I have brush, then I could draw better pictures. इसने कहा कि अगर मेरे पास ये ब्रश होता तो मैं बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स बनाता. बट व्हाट हैपन सडनली, अचानक क्या हुआ, अ ओल्ड मैन अपेयर्ड, अचानक से सामने आ गए एक बूढ़े आदमी. एंड ही हैड अ लॉन्ग वाइट बियर्ड, एंड उनकी लंबी वाइट कलर की बियर्ड थी. बियर्ड मीन्स दाढ़ी. एंड द ओल्ड मैन सेड, here's a brush. उन्होंने कहा this is a brush and take it and draw pictures for poor people. उन्होंने कहा कि पिक्चर बनाना तो गरीब लोगों के लिए बनाना. then he disappeared, वो गायब हो गए. Maliang started drawing with the brush. He drew a hand and the picture turned into a real hand. Maliang ने क्या किया, then he started drawing and first he draw a hand. जैसे उसने hand बनाया, then the picture turned into a real. The real hand come out from the picture, and This is a magic brush, Maliang said. Then Malian understand that the old man gave him a brush which is a magical brush. When he draw any picture, the picture will be turned into real thing. Okay. Now turn your page. The next day he drew a lot of things for the poor people of the village, because the old man said that draw picture for poor people, so he draw many things for poor peoples. He draw an axe means कुल्हाड़ी. उसने एक old lady के लिए कुल्हाड़ी draw की. The picture turn into a real axe. After that the picture will become a real, and the old woman went off to cut wood with her new axe. जब उस old man को उसने वो axe दिया, then he started cutting with this new axe, and he drew an ox for a farmer. When he saw a farmer, and he saw that the farmer didn't have any ox, so he draw a picture of ox, and what happened? The picture become real and the ox come out from the picture, and the farmer used it to plow his land. Maliang drew pictures for the other people of his village too. After that farmer ने उसका ox का इस्तेमाल खेत जोतने के लिए किया, and Maliang drew many pictures for poor people of the village. उसने people गांव के लोगों के लिए बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ किए. एंड देन द किंग हर्ड अबाउट द मैजिक ब्रश. जब किंग ने ये बात सुनी उस मैजिक ब्रश की, ही टोल्ड हिज सोल्जर्स टू ब्रिंग मालियांग टू द पैलेस. ही सेड द सोल्जर्स टू ब्रिंग द मालियांग एंड टू द पैलेस. उसने अपने सोल्जरों को आदेश दिया कि मालियांग को मेरे राजमहल में लेकर आओ. ही सेड टू मालियांग, draw a tree covered with gold coins. उसने मालियांग से कहा कि एक पेड़ बनाओ जो पूरा पेड़ सोने के सिक्कों से ढका हो, covered हो. And Maliang said, no, I wouldn't. I draw only for poor people. मालियांग ने कहा कि no, I wouldn't means मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा, will not. Okay, I draw ओनली फॉर पुअर पीपल. मैं सिर्फ पुअर पीपल के लिए ड्रॉ कर सकता हूँ, नॉट फॉर अ रिच मैन लाइक द किंग. द किंग वॉज वेरी एंग्री वेन ही डिनाई द ऑर्डर ऑफ किंग. ही वॉज वेरी एंग्री एंड ही पुट मालियांग इन टू अ प्रिजन. उसने उसको एक कैद में, जेल में बंद कर दिया. मालियांग ड्रू अ की. मालियांग ने की ड्रॉ की. देन he turned into a real key. वो real key में बदल गई. And he opened the prison door and ran. After that he used the key and opened the prison and come out from the prison and ran away. The king and his soldiers chased him. King and soldiers run behind him. उसके पीछे भागने लगे, उसका पीछा करने लगे. Maliang drew a horse. Then Maliang ने हॉर्स ड्रॉ किया एंड गॉट ऑन टू इट एंड रोड अवे. उसके बाद वो उसने हॉर्स ड्रॉ किया एंड हॉर्स कम आउट फ्रॉम द पिक्चर एंड ही सिट ऑन द हॉर्स एंड राइट का थर्ड फॉर्म है रोड, एंड देन ही रोड अवे. देन ही ड्रू अ होल. आफ्टर दैट ही ड्रॉ अ होल. इट टर्न इनटू अ रियल होल and the king and his soldiers fell into it. उसने एक होल बनाया जहाँ से वो दौड़ रहा था उसके पीछे. Then king and their soldiers, when they ran and they chased him, they fell into it. वो उस होल में गिर गए. Maliang was safe. After that he was now safe. बच गया. Maliang went back to his village. After that he go back to his village. He told his people to the story of the wicked king and what had happened to. After that he उसने अपने गांव के लोगों को वो उस लालची कनिंग राजा के बारे में बताया कि उसके साथ क्या किया था उसने. Okay, here the story is completed. Malayang is a very good boy. He helped the poor people, and we also help our elders and youngers also, respect our parents and elders. Now here your chapter is completed. Do some hard words of this chapter. I will send you in worksheet, and look at the word meaning of this chapter. Suddenly means without knowing before and unexpectedly, जो चीज़ नहीं पता हो अचानक से हो जाए. Okay. Appeared means come in front of, आपके सामने आ जाना. Become visible, दिखाई देना. Disappeared means become invisible, गायब हो जाना. Went away from the eyes, हमारी आंखों से चले जाना. Turn into means change होना. Plow means dig the soil of a field, खेत की जुताई करना. A prison place where thieves are kept, वो जगह जहाँ पे चोरों को कैद किया जाता है. Road went a horse. रोड मीन्स राइट का थर्ड फॉर्म है रोड, मतलब रन करना, चलाना या ले जाना. विकेट मीन्स कनिंग, लालची. Okay, I will send you worksheet. Read this lesson and do hard words in your notebook and learn the hard words of the from this chapter. Okay, bye and take care everyone.